Hello there, beautiful people. We're gonna do something different today. I currently have to make myself look like Elphaba for a performance. So we are going to pretend like this is a makeup tutorial, but really it's just let's see what happens. I will not be painting my face or any part of my body green. I'm allergic to costume makeup, so that's gonna be a no-no. So we're just gonna go for a chisel contour, nice log bridge nose, green eyes, dark brows, dark lips. And those are the main features that I've been able to find when I look at pictures of her on stage, like seeing beyond the green of the flesh. So yeah, I hope you enjoy as I fiddle and fuddle through this. I hope it's entertaining. If there is anything beneficial in this whatsoever, I do hope that, you know, you get it, you learn something, because right now we about to be learning together. So I guess let's start with the eyebrows. Let's start with eyebrows. We can save space. Let's start there. Yeah. Okay. Leaving the eyebrows alone. I guess we need foundation or whatever. I hate foundation. I'm sorry if I have offended you in my hatred, but I do. And no, I don't normally apply it like this, but I just did not feel like getting my fingers messy. And this sucker seemed to do the job. Now that I have an even complexion, let's contour. Line, conceal first. What just happened? Where did this random green come from? Did my zit just like pop green? Because that's pretty gross. That's pretty gross. I really hope that. What? Just. Okay, no, that was not my face. So what is in here? Should I be concerned? Okay. Everything is fine. I guess I'll conceal here because I'm gonna need that eyelash shadow to stick. I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't. Okay. Everything is fine. Everything's fine. Everything is super fine. I think I need to do that again. I don't think it left enough of a shadow. Brows are on my face. Could they be darker though in this light? And the stage lights will be even brighter. So I should darken them. I mean, you will see them from a stage. That is for sure. For sure, for sure. I think the right light. You're getting it. You see it's happening. You see it. Okay. Eyes. So I am using this Ibiza palette from BH Cosmetics, and I do not have very many options for green. It's basically green and then like blue green with sparkles. So let's see what happens if I mix the two of them. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, that's pigmented. Ooh, you better you better stop. You better stop. Oh my god, you can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Okay. Yes, buildable. Ooh. I am living. Living. Okay, let's bring this up a little bit. Just ever so slight. I definitely should do green in the under eye. I suck at doing my under eye. Or my eyes start to like seriously like break out. Comment below if your eyes like despise any under eye action. Like I used to wear a bunch of under eye liner in high school because like that was like the thing. But besides my mom telling me like I was wearing too much makeup, my eyes themselves were like, girl, we can't do this. You're burning, we're itching, you're going to rub your eyes and you're going to look like a mad, like, I don't even know, crazy clown lady. And it's just not gonna be cute. So like, let me know. Do your eyes get like seriously irritated when you put like anything on your lower line too? And it always feels like there's an eyelash in my eye, which there could very well be. There probably is. Because apparently my eyelashes fall out like a dang pine needle on a Christmas tree. Okay, ooh. Ooh. I am feeling myself. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't think I'm going to do lashes because I have these glasses. This is a vibe. Woo! Okay. Somebody stop me. Okay. I'm now going to take the brush that I used for my brows, because it's my only angled brush, clean it off with this baby wipe real quick, and then attempt to do a lower lash with, not lower lash, but like a lower line with this green. I'm very nervous, and this had a lot of brown in it. Wow. Okay, let's just like, let's just see if we went right there. Oh God. What if we went right here? I'm scared. I'm nervous. I don't know. Okay. It's okay. Put your big girl panties on and just draw your face. I think I just made my nose just darker than the rest of my body. And you guys can't even notice in this lighting. Oh, the tragedies. All of the tragedies that I am encountering. I don't know. I have no words. No words. Oh, son of a biscuit. You know what the issue is? That it looks just like my skin. That's the issue. Is that this might as well be concealer rather than contour. Does my nose look longer? Does it look thin? and long? I don't think so. Oh, God. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. Maybe some highlight. Maybe some highlight can save us from this monstrosity. Boop. Well, I just have a gold nose. I just have a gold nose. Oh my god. This is just a gold nose. Why did I think I could do this without looking at an actual YouTube video before this? And I haven't worn makeup in several months, especially not stage makeup, since March. So, why I thought I knew what I was doing, I don't know. I just wasn't ambitious, mother sucker. Okay, I think I'm going to extend the green. Thought I was going to do something different, but I'm going to extend the green to my underbrow. Maybe like splash of gold. How does that look? Ooh, gold is good. So I'm just adding in this little gold in the corner. Gold. Ooh, yeah. That's the spot. That's the stuff right there. I mean, I don't think there ever was anyone as Asian as I was at the moment that you saw me. I mean, yeah. I'm gonna take this little brush, dab some gold in my corner. Now make that pop. Yes, hunty. Yeah. Who's that girl? It's Elphaba. Okay, we are at 30 minutes now. You guys will probably, hopefully, be at 10. Maybe even less if I can cut this thing down short enough. But we need two lips. We need two lips. I think a black lipstick could be good too, but I got rid of mine because it was straight garbage. Oh no. Do not talk and apply lipstick at the same time. Oh my god. I just took a whole chunk. Oh my gosh. Also, just watch this for pure entertainment. I don't think I have any expertise of any form in applying makeup. If you did learn something from this, let me know down below because I feel like this has been one big joke. Oh my gosh. Okay. Who applies makeup like this? Oh my god. Who am I today? I have this dark gloss. I think I'll just put on a little bit of blush and then I have mascara. I always forget mascara. So I will just do blush, mascara, and then I will see you guys when I have my full outfit on. And I would like to remind you that this, well, not remind you, just inform you that this is a completely free outfit. I just put together things that I had at home. I did not go to the thrift store. I did not even look in the costume closet at the theater because I did not have the time to. Your girl's been very busy. So the fact that I even found the time to put on makeup is just astonishing. So I will show you the finished look in just a second.